Hire today's best talent by modernizing your talent acquisition solutions. Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Talent provides analytics and interactive reporting to help you make smarter hiring decisions faster. Right out of the box, gain actionable insights from a dashboard that puts your most important information at your fingertips and simplifies complex analytics. See key performance indicators in real time, like the number of open jobs and active applicants. Drill down to gain more context and generate reports quickly. Take your analytics to the next level by adding on Power BI and go from data to insight to action. Power BI connects to your data wherever it is, combining multiple systems to present one version of the truth and rich, interactive reports. HR pros can access data from hundreds of on-premise and cloud-based sources, enabling them to dig deeper into data and find patterns they may have otherwise missed. Power BI goes beyond traditional reporting, using AI-driven natural language processing to answer your questions in real time. Simply enter your keywords, and results begin appearing immediately. Click the result you want and add the report to your dashboard for quicker access. Get the insight you need for connected HR and create an organization where your people thrive. Use Dynamics 365 for Talent with Power BI today.